Hey there, welcome to my channel. If you're looking for ways to earn money online, you've come to the right place. I'm going to walk you through some effective methods that can help you make some extra cash from the comfort of your own home. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on making money online. First up, we have freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are great places to offer your skills and services to clients from all over the world. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or anything in between, freelancing can be a great way to earn money on your own terms. Next, we have blogging. Creating a blog and monetizing it through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or selling digital products can be a lucrative way to earn passive income. If you have a passion for writing or a niche topic that you're knowledgeable about, blogging could be the perfect avenue for you if you're a teacher or have expertise in a particular subject. Online tutoring could be a great option for you. Platforms like tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, and VIPKid allow you to teach subjects or skills to students from around the world and earn money from the comfort of your own home. Another way to earn money online is by selling products. Setting up an online store on platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon can help you reach a global audience and generate income by selling physical or digital products. Affiliate marketing is also a popular method for earning money online by promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made. Through your referral link, you can earn passive income by simply sharing products you believe in. Content creation is another lucrative option. Making videos on YouTube, streaming on Twitch, or creating courses on platforms like Udemy can help you build an audience and monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or course sales. If you're looking for remote work opportunities, platforms like Remote. So we work remotely, and FlexJobs can connect you with legitimate remote job opportunities in various industries. Lastly, if you're a photographer selling your photos, to stock photography, websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images can be a great way to earn passive income from your creative work. So there you have it. There are plenty of ways to earn money online. I hope this video has given you some inspiration and ideas for how you can start generating income from the comfort of your own home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching.